We at 𝗕𝗏𝘀 Industries, manufacturers and exporters of mechanical power transmission products, taper bush pulleys, sprockets, couplings. We associated with LMW for the past two decades. We are having LMW training centers and VMCs. Recently we are purchased LMW J2 series VMC machines. The product performance and quality is very good. Cycle time also reduced more than 2 to 3% to existing our product cycle time. Height of the machine is very low, so loading unloading is very easy to work. So operators very happy to work with the LMW machines. We are facing big size tool changing issues in the existing machines. We discussed with the LMW team. They give the solution with the logic system. The big size tools, alternate tools, we are using this machine. This is an advantage of this machine. So we are happy with the LMW machine performance, and service support also very good service support they are given. So we recommend LMW VMC machines, J series VMC machines to our friends and industry. Thank you.